for fairness, right thought and speech, impart your supreme wisdom upon our bidding activity so that we may reach a successful conclusion. Thank you for being our source of guidance today. Amen.
Thank you. Thank you. Is everybody seated? Now we proceed. I'd just like to check with Attorney Suba about the quorum.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we have a quorum.
Now we call to order. But before we do that, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our observers, Engineer Eduardo Lansang and Engineer Rafael Lavides. Morning. Good morning, sirs. Before proceeding, have all the observers been notified of this meeting?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we have notified the following. We have sent invitation to BCBA, DOTR. For private sectors, we invited also Mr. Josh Go of SILA, Arsenio Valdez from Maxi, and Engineer Leviticus Guerra from ICE. Unfortunately, we were not able to attend this meeting, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Attorney Ann. Now, I'd like to ask the body that before we talk about the approval of we would like to propose to defer the approval of the minutes of the previous meeting to give time for the back members to go through with the documents. And so we proceed now. May I ask Attorney Suba about the agenda?
Mr. Chair, the agenda items as follows. The submission and opening of the eligibility documents for the project consultancy services for the detailed engineering design for the horizontal infrastructure project of the Clark International Airport New Terminal Building Project, formerly Clark Airport Low Cost Terminal, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Attorney. I would like to acknowledge also the presence of our bidders. We have Lani Baling and Ernesto San Miguel of UICI, and Catherine K. Dewey of ESCA FDSC. Yes.
Coming.
It's coming. Okay, Captain. Thank you. Ray Valencia of Schema Consulting. Hi, Ray. Cesar Ramirez of TCGI. There you are. And Annabel Piedad of Schema. So we have a total of 5 bidders. Okay. Before we start, we would like to tell you about the reminders. I would request Attorney Suba to mention to you the reminders, please.
Hello, good morning. This is to this meeting, the purpose of this meeting is to determine the eligible bidders for this project. So this is basically based on a non-discretionary pass-fail criteria, which means presence or absence of document procedure natin. And then the eligible bidders shall be subject to shortlisting. So this is a two-stage bidding. Okay. And then the submitted eligibility document shall be opened in order of time as it was submitted.
Thank you, Attorney Subat. Now, we may now proceed.
The first bidder who submitted its eligibility documents is ESCA Incorporated, submitted its eligibility documents at 7:30 a.m. May we request the representative from ESCA Incorporated to acknowledge the still intact as it was submitted. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, for the record, our bidder ESC Incorporated submitted a bid sealed envelope, and it contains 3 separate sealed envelopes. The original eligibility documents, copy 1 and copy 2, Mr. Chairman. So I now begin the eligibility document. For the record, Mr. Chairman, ESCA Incorporated submitted joint venture na ba yun? Joint venture ba yun? Joint venture siguro. No. With Foresight Development and Surveying Company, submitted the letter of intent, expression of interest, addressed to our chairman, Lyndon P. R. Diaz, Lyndon Paul R. Diaz. Sorry.
Das dapat.
Lyndon Paul R. Diaz, to be corrected. Next, Mr. Chairman, submitted is a field jobs registration under a platinum membership. It is certified through copy and signed. Next is the SEC registration. Dated the attachment and duly signed. Also submitted SEC registration for Foresight Development and Surveying Company, including the attachment certified to copy and sign. Next submitted, Mr. Chairman, is Nimeros Permit from Quezon City. Signed. The validity period is until December 31, 2017. The attachment inside. Also, the mayor's permit for Foresight Development Survey Company with the attachment to the sign. Next submitted is the eligibility document submission form, Form EF1 duly signed. For ESC Incorporated. Next, also submitted is by Foresight Development and Surveying Company, EF1 for eligibility document submission. Signed. Next submitted is the EF42 statement of all ongoing completed government and private contracts, including contract awarded but not yet started. Signed. Also submitted by Foresight Development Surveying Company, EF Form 2, statement of all ongoing completed government private contracts being awarded but not yet started to be signed. The Form EF3, summary of projects, ongoing contracts for ESCA Corporation, Incorporated. 8 pages, duly signed. Including the attached documents, supporting documents, which are to the side. Next submitted for EF number 3. Several projects for Foresight Development and Surveying Company. Pages and duly signed, including attachment, supporting documents, certified and duly signed. Next submitted under EF4 number 4 for consultants reference, ESC submitted. duly signed. Also for Foresight Development and Surveying Company under DF Form number 4, also submitted and duly signed. Next, Mr. Chairman, is the EF Form 5, summary of curriculum detail for
Fine na, sir. Mahina yung wifi.
the following key personnel. Including the attachment supporting document. All duly signed. And under DF form number 7, statement of consultant specifying its nationality, also submitted and duly signed. Next submitted is the Class B document. Joint venture agreement submitted between ESC Incorporated and Foresight Development and Surveying Company. Duly signed and duly authorized, including attachment of signatory. Next submitted is the Secretary Certificate of ESCB Incorporated and Foresight Development Surveying Company. The document duly signed and authorized. Also, the authority of the Secretary Special Power of Attorney to Foresight event Manuel L. Punay as a representative of Foresight Development Surveying Company. Authorized and duly signed. Bid 42 submitted. Duly signed. That's all for its eligibility document of joint venture between ESC Incorporated and Foresight Development and Surveying Company.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. So before we go on to the second bidder, I'd just like to acknowledge also the presence of our consultants, Engineer Elmer Ramoneda. Yes, sir. Thank you. Superintendent Mariano Liwag, yes, sir. And Architect Rolando Cordero. Thanks for coming, sir. Now we go to the next bidder.
Sir, next is the Urban Integrated Consultants Inc. Submitted its bid eligibility documents at 8:45 a.m. Kindly acknowledge whether if it is still intact. Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney.
Mr. Chairman, on record, they submitted a sealed envelope for bid. Urban Integrated Consultants Incorporated. 3:45 p.m. July 20, 2017. Inside the sealed envelope, contains 3 separate sealed envelopes, the original eligibility, copy 1 and copy 2. Putting on record, Mr. Chairman, Urban Integrated Consultant Incorporated Submission. Submitted is the checklist of their submission. Next is the TF form number 1. The eligibility submission form addressed to the chairman, Mr. Lincoln Paul Ardas, duly signed.
Kahit ang annual report, sir.
Their certificate of builders registration under category membership, duly signed.
Okay. Okay.
Under TF Form 2, statement of ongoing completed government private contract submitted. Any summary of projects? Pages, duly signed with supporting documents as attachment, and duly signed in all pages. Next submitted under TF number 4, consultant references, duly signed.